I'm going to show you how to change the WordPress homepage name. Start by opening your site's login page in a new browser tab and signing in. When the dashboard loads, you're in the admin area. Look at the left sidebar and find Pages. Hover over Pages and click All Pages. The Pages list opens and the page you want is usually named Home or Home Page on some setups, and it's often near the top. If you have a lot of pages, type Home in the search box at the top right and the list shortens. Open that page by clicking its title or the edit link below it. I use the full edit screen instead of quick edit because you can see the title field and the permalink together. Once the editor loads, the page title sits right at the top of the content area. Click directly on the word Home, select the whole title, and type your new name. I'm using Welcome because it's short and it works in both the page title and the menu. Before you update, glance at the permalink in the right sidebar. If the slug still says Home, leave it. If it changed to Welcome, that's fine too, but don't worry about the old URL breaking right now. The visible title is the part people see. Now go to the upper right corner and click Update. If the page was never published, that same spot says Publish, and that's the button you want. The page title is changed now, but that does not automatically rename the navigation menu. The menu label is stored separately, and I always check it next because this is where most people stop and then think the change failed. Open the front of the site in another tab and look at the menu. If it still shows Home, come back to the dashboard. On a block theme, the menu is handled in the site editor. So click Appearance, then click Editor. The site editor opens and you'll see your templates and patterns. If your appearance menu does not have editor but has customize instead, skip the next bit and use the customizer. In the site editor, click Navigation, then open the main menu, usually labeled Primary. Click the item labeled Home. The label field becomes editable. Select Home, type Welcome, and click the Save button in the top right. That updates the actual menu text. Keep the label short because a long homepage label can wrap or crowd the other menu items on mobile. Now the customizer route for classic themes. Go back to Appearance, click Customize, and the customizer opens with a live preview on the right. Click Menus. Open the menu that holds your homepage link and expand the Home item. Find the navigation label field, change Home to Welcome, and click Publish as you type the live preview updates, so you can see the menu change before you publish. There's another name people mix up with this, and that's the site title. The site title is the name of the whole website, not the homepage page. To change that, go to Settings, then General. The site title field is near the top. Type the new site name, scroll down, and click Save Changes. That changes what WordPress calls the entire site, and it often shows up in the Browser tab. The large heading on the home page is also separate from the WordPress page title. If the big text on the page still says Home or something else, go back to Pages, open your home page, click the heading block, and type the text you actually want visitors to read. Then click Update. A lot of people confuse that heading with the page title, but they're two different fields. Another setting worth checking is under Settings and then Reading. The section labeled Your Homepage Displays tells you whether the site is using your latest posts or a static page. If it's static, you'll see a homepage dropdown. To point the front page at a different page, choose that page there and click Save Changes. That changes which page WordPress is using, rather than just changing the name of the current one. When you're done, click View Site from the toolbar and look at the homepage. Check the menu, the big heading in the Browser tab. Open the mobile menu by shrinking the browser window or using the device preview. The new label should show there too. If it's too wide, use a shorter label like Welcome instead of Welcome to our company. If the tab still shows the old title, that usually comes from your SEO plugin. Open the SEO plugin's homepage title settings and update that title separately. Search engines can take a while to reflect the new title, but the site itself updates right away. If your changes are not showing on the front end at all, open your caching plugin and click Purge All. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.